Jumana Jaffer with
Anirudh Rajesh.
So back with you guys with a wonderful episode of Kids and Teens.
Yeah, so this is this is my second episode, and what about yours?
Oh, it's my first episode after the COVID-19. So I'm pretty excited, and actually I miss the NTV family, and I'm really blessed to be back. And I really miss Kids and Teens and our friends at Kids and Teens and our callers. So I'm very happy to be back. How about you?
Yeah, this is my second episode. I had an episode on Monday. Yeah, Monday.
Okay.
And this is my second episode. That time we not get so much callers. We barely had 4.
Oh.
One dropped and other 3 were there. And now we need more callers.
We need you guys because you guys are the ones who keep the show going.
Exactly.
So please do call us on the numbers given below. One of it is 052961133 and the other number is
0523151.
804.
Yeah.
So yeah, today is 20th August and today is a Thursday.
Yeah.
So it's weekend.
It's about to be, it's weekend. Basically weekend, yeah.
Yeah.
We don't have school, so we can call
We don't
this
have
week.
school, but the thing is, now it's quarantine and we all have to be careful. Don't go for any gatherings. Like, we have to try to avoid as much as possible. Just because it's weekend, don't think like you can go out and chill, but please be aware of the COVID-19, and we can have gatherings later on when we are over this COVID and everything. So try to stay as much as possible at home itself. And yeah, since we don't have any school or anything in the weekend, you can watch Kids and Teens as well.
Yeah, and you can keep us also entertained, not just the viewers, us.
Yes.
You can keep us entertained. And we have a caller.
We have a caller.
Talking
Okay.
about a caller. Hello,
who's this?
Hello.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, walaikum
Hello.
assalam. What's your name?
My name is Vinit.
Hi Vineet, welcome to Kids and Teens. Which grade are you in?
I'm in 10th.
10th,
school?
okay, which school?
Indian Excellent Private School.
Okay, so what have been your habits or something? What have you started doing during the quarantine?
Your hobbies and stuff. Did you find anything new to do during quarantine? Have you
No.
developed something?
Nothing.
No.
Okay, then maybe we have a little bit more time, I think. Then you can develop a great hobby. And don't forget to send us your videos also in kidsanteens@ntvue.ae, which is our email
Yeah.
ID.
Yeah.
So if you
Okay,
develop any
sure.
hobbies or any talent, please do send it to us as soon as possible. So, are you ready for any games or anything?
Yes.
Okay.
You must be very intelligent and stuff, because she has GK questions. Are you good with GK questions?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so the first question, which I'm going to ask you, I'm only asking you one question, okay?
Even I'll try to, guess
okay.
the answer.
So, okay, this is the question. In which city and which country was the pizza invented?
Oh.
Do you know this?
Repeat the question, please. I didn't hear.
Okay, which country and which city was pizza first invented?
Pizza.
Yes,
Italy.
Italy. Which city? Do you know which city?
No.
Okay, you got 1 point because you answered the correct country. It is Naples in Italy. Okay, so you get very good pizzas there, and that's what led the world to have the great discovery of pizza as
Wallah, I
well.
love pizza.
Yeah, we all
Same
love
here.
pizza. I love pizza.
It's like my favorite food item.
It's a
fast food
go-to
item.
comfort food for everybody in this world.
The cheese,
No.
it'll just melt in your mouth.
Yes.
Man. It's just
So, do you
tasty.
have any question to ask him, like any riddles or anything?
Yeah. Okay, I'll give you an easy riddle. Okay. So,
Okay.
what has holes but can't hold? But can hold water?
Sponge.
See?
See? Yes,
It's
it was easy. Yeah, very good. Well done. So, hope you enjoyed calling us. Call us next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that was our first caller.
Caller, yes.
And that was pretty energetic. And we have another caller. Hello, who is this? Hello.
Hello, my dear friend. Can you please mute your TV?
And concentrate on your phone.
Hello,
Hello, who's this?
Avantika.
Hi,
Avantika.
Avantika.
Welcome to Kids and Teens.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in grade 6.
Grade 6.
six. Which
Okay, which
school?
school?
Jen Sarod English High School, Dubai.
Oh, even I'm in the same school.
Have you ever met her or have you ever seen her?
I don't know much Avantika's, but we should definitely meet when the school reopens, okay? So, what have you been doing? Do you have any talents or any hobbies during the quarantine that you developed?
Well, I improved in my art skills.
Art.
Oh, okay.
So that's one of the things. You can actually send it to our
Yes.
email ID, and we'll show the picture
Pictures.
or the video in front of the screen.
You can either send like your art or art and craft or your paintings or whatever like hobbies or any talent that you have to our email ID, which is kidsanteens@ntvua.in. Don't forget to send us as soon as possible.
And if you have any birthday wishes also, you can send it to our email ID.
Okay, so Avantika, so do you cook or anything? You know, nowadays most of us are trying to cook during the quarantine. Have you tried baking or cooking or anything?
No.
Okay, it's
Because
okay.
My family doesn't have that much time.
Oh, it's fine. You know, like even me, I wanted to bake, but then school and everything, so I didn't get time.
So do you like the new e-learning thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do you like e-learning or do you like to go to school?
I like both.
You
Why?
like
Can you
both?
tell me like one reason why you like both?
Okay, I like normal school because like it's more interactive. I can see my friends and
Yes.
teachers in person. And for e-learning, the reason is that in the morning, like I only have to wake up very little later than
Yeah.
what I usually wake up to go to school. So that's the only reason.
That's the reason that everybody tells. Actually, that's true. Actually, even me, that's the reason why I like both. I'm not
I
like
sleep and then
too biased to anything.
I sleep, I wake up, and then I won't even go brush. I'll just sit over there.
I
That's
won't
it.
have breakfast, but I'll definitely brush before going to class.
I'm just joking, okay?
Okay. So, Avantika, would you like to play some games with us?
Yeah, okay.
So, why don't you ask her a riddle?
Okay. Let me think of one. You ask while I think.
Okay.
A GK question.
I'll ask you a GK question. So, it's like a capital question, okay? Do you know
Okay.
the capital of wait, let me think. Of Japan. Do you know the capital of Japan?
No.
Think. You may get the answer. Do you know the answer? The capital of Japan.
No, I don't know the answer.
Okay, fine. I'll give you an easier one. Do you know the capital of United Kingdom?
Can I think?
Yeah, sure. You can take your time. Do you know the capital? Don't tell the answer. Do you know?
No.
Think. Even you have to think.
I know many places, but I don't know what's a capital.
It's easy. Like if you like
Okay,
think
I got
about
it.
it. You
I
know.
think I got it. I think.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you want a clue? I'll give you a clue.
okay.
It starts with L.
London?
Yes, it's London, correct. So you played really well, and don't forget to send your photos of your drawings or your artwork to our email ID as well. So hope you enjoyed and call us next time. Till then, bye-bye.
So that was our third caller, right?
Second caller.
Second caller.
So we are having a bunch of like energetic callers today,
Yes.
and we need that till the end of the show. So we
now-
have a special event today. So today is the wedding anniversary of a couple. So we'll be wishing them. So we'll be showing their photo on the screen. So today is the wedding anniversary of Najla and Arshad, and their cousins Safina and Sajina has sent the photo. So happy wedding anniversary
Happy
to both
wedding
of you,
anniversary.
and stay blessed, and hope you enjoy your wedding anniversary as well. So yeah, so that was our wish for the day, and yeah, so
Oh, we have a
we have
caller.
callers.
Hello,
So,
who is it?
this?
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
Fazan?
Sorry.
Fazan.
Fazan, yeah.
Fazan. Hi,
Hi,
Fazan.
Fazan. Welcome to Kids and Teens. Hello?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, which grade are you in?
I'm in KG2.
KG2. Which school?
My school is DPS Dubai.
DPS
Okay.
Dubai. Oh, I'm in DPS Sharjah.
Oh, okay.
So, Fazan, what do you like to do during quarantine?
I like playing with my dad, and I also like to watch TV, and also I like to paint some things in my house, and that's done.
You
Oh,
do you
okay.
paint on your walls?
I don't actually paint on the wall. Some things that I got.
Oh, okay.
So why don't you send us a picture of your
Of your painting.
yeah?
Then we'll show it on the on our screen as well, and everybody in UA can see it.
Yeah, but which website I have to use to
You can send it to our email ID, which is kidsandteens@ntvua.ae. Don't forget to send it, okay? You can send it as soon as possible to us.
Okay.
Okay, so you told me that you play games. What games do you play? Is it mobile games or board games? What do you play?
Actually, I'm playing outdoor games.
Outdoor games. Okay,
What
what
kind
is
of
your
outdoor
favorite
games?
outdoor game?
What kind of like I played as not actually outdoor games, but like I play with them.
Oh, okay.
So you play outside, do you?
Yeah, I play outside games.
Oh,
Okay.
Yesterday I went to park, so I played with my friends. There is actually a park down my house, so I can go there.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
What kind of games do you play? Is it like football?
Do you play football or cricket or anything
No.
like that?
What kind of games? When this virus was not here, I played actually like football with my friends. But one of
Okay.
my friends went to another.
Okay, okay. So do you have any riddles? Would you like to play a game with us?
Yes,
Okay, so do you have any riddles?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you have to break before you use it?
I know this.
This is pretty common.
What do you have to break before you use it?
I'll give you a clue. Since it might be tough. It might be tough. So you take the thing and you crack it and then you do this. And then the
It's
thing comes
something
out.
we eat, right?
Yeah, mostly every day.
It's very healthy.
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
let me think.
Okay, yeah. It's something we eat and we have to crack it before we use it. And we crack it like this.
Cracker?
Sorry?
Cracker? Is it cracker?
No. It's
It's yellow and white.
yellow and white. What we eat.
Actually transparent.
Yeah.
No, and white.
I think in every house you may have, right?
Yeah. Every house the mother stocks it up.
Except for vegetarians.
Yeah, vegetarians.
And it's good for your health and it gives you a lot of protein.
And is it egg?
Yeah,
Yes,
it
it is
eggs.
an egg.
Correct answer. So, hope you enjoyed calling us and call us next time. Till then, bye-bye.
Okay, so now it's the time for our guest
Guest.
of the day.
So, our guest is a very great singer. So, let's invite her to our show. And our guest for today is Diya Jayaprasad. Hello, Diya.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
So, our audience don't know for what you're here. So, why can't you just introduce yourself to them?
I'm going to sing songs over here.
Okay, so how long have you been
you
learning singing?
I've been learning for 11 years.
11
11
years.
years.
The
That's
thing
pretty
is,
long.
yeah, since I know Diya, she has started singing. When I was in KG2, I've seen her sing. So since then, she's learning music. So, Diya, what are languages do you mostly sing in?
I sing in Hindi and Malayalam more often.
Okay.
Tamil maybe.
Who's your favorite music artist?
My favorite singer is Sarjeet Singh.
Okay, mine too. Okay, so
Yeah.
which language are you like most comfortable or like convenient in singing? Which do you like find it more easier?
Easier is Hindi.
Hindi, okay. So, why don't you sing a song for us and we can begin with your session?
Okay. I'll be
Okay,
singing a Hindi song.
okay.
तू आता है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मैं रेत जैसे उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ हाँ हाँ मेरी नजर का सफर तुझ पे ही आके रुके कहने को बाकी है क्या कहना था जो कह चुके मेरी निगाहें है तेरे निगाहों पे तुझे खबर क्या बेखबर मैं तुझसे ही चुप चुप कर तेरी आंखें पढ़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ हाँ हाँ Thank you.
That was
So
amazing.
good.
That was
So
just amazing.
nice.
How do you learn music? Oh, we have a caller. Hello, who is
Hello,
this?
who's this?
Hello, this is Bhavni.
Hi,
Bhavni.
Bhavni. Welcome to Kids and Teens.
Thank you.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in 5th grade.
Fifth
Which
grade.
school?
Okay.
What?
Which school are you in?
DPS Sharjah.
Okay, so you both are in the same school.
She's my sister.
She's your sister.
Yeah.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
So, did you listen to Diya's song?
Yeah,
Did you like it?
I really loved it.
Yes.
That
Even we liked it. So, Bhavni, do you sing or do you dance or do you have any other, talents?
I dance and I sing.
Okay, so great.
Yeah.
I
So,
know.
you can send us your video also, right, to our email
Yeah,
ID?
It's scrolling. I mean, it's over here. She can tell.
It's kids and teens at ntvua.ae. Then you can also come as a guest like Diya to our show, and we can also bring you as a guest to our show. Okay?
Okay.
We can also show your video in like the TV.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
would you like to play games with us?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So, why don't you ask a question to your sister?
Okay. No, actually, she's the one who asked me. Why not you ask me a
Okay,
question?
you ask Anirudh a question.
She asked me lots of riddles.
It's like a riddle or something else.
Anything. You can ask anything like a riddle or a GK question or something like that you can ask.
Okay. Yeah, I would like to ask tongue twister maybe?
Okay, yeah, Anirudh is going to
Let's
say a
twist
tongue
my
twister.
tongue.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
yeah.
tongue twister is
Please give me an easy one.
um,
I'll buy you 2 chocolates. Give me an
okay,
easy
yeah.
one.
So the tongue twister is glory grows gladioli.
Okay, Give me another one. I pass.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is an easy one. Goats and ghosts.
Goats and ghosts. Goats and ghosts. Goats and ghosts.
Yay!
Why not you try? You give her one.
No.
Let's twist her tongue.
No, I didn't do anything to you. I'm, like I didn't make any problem.
I'll give you 5 chocolates. Give her one.
I'll give you 100 chocolates.
So, you know what? We'll ask you a riddle.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't think I've asked this one to you. I am tall, I am thin, and I'm white. I'm white and might be red. You keep me out for diyas. What am I?
Can you repeat it again?
I am tall, I am white, might be red. I am thin. You keep me out for diyas. What am I?
What is that?
You
Yeah.
keep me?
You keep me out. That's it.
Oh, out.
Out.
I just told the answer before. I just told the answer.
Yeah, you told.
I don't know.
Okay, why not you sing a song?
You told us you sing well, so why don't you sing a song?
Okay. The song I'm singing is okay. The song I'm singing is
Okay, fine.
Okay,
It's
fine.
okay. Request the song to Diya.
Oh, okay. I'll give you a Hindi. You can sing your favorite Hindi song.
Okay, so Diya, she's given you an option to sing your favorite Hindi song. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
so Bhavni, so you can listen her song live itself. So hope you enjoyed talking with us. Nice meeting you. Thank you.
for calling.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So
Okay,
Diya, so Bhavni has given you a challenge to sing your favorite Hindi song. So why don't we get on to it?
Before that,
Yeah.
what Hindi song is your favorite?
Yeah, can you tell us which one is your favorite?
Right now it's Khairiyat from
Okay, so
the
can you
movie
sing that?
Chittoor. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
खैरियत पूछो कभी तो खैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है अंजाम है तय मेरा होना तुम्हें है मेरा जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है ये दूरियां फिलहाल है हो खैरियत पूछो कभी तो खैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम गए गुजारे मौसमी ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे नजरों के सामने में आता नहीं तुम्हारे मगर रहते हो हर पल मंजर में तुम हमारे कर इश्क से है मिला फिर दर्द से क्या गिला इस दर्द में जिंदगी खुशहाल है ये दूरियां फिलहाल है ओ खैरियत पूछो कभी तो खैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है थैंक यू
You have a really beautiful voice, Diya. I have to say that in the first itself. You have really beautiful voice. God has gifted you with a really good voice.
थैंक
So,
यू
have
सो
we been,
मच
oh, we have a caller.
Caller,
Hello.
so hello, who's this?
Hi, my name is Surya Narayan.
Hi,
Hi,
Surya Narayan.
Suryanarayan.
Welcome to Kids and Teens. Which grade are you in?
I study at grade 7,
Okay, which school?
Which school?
Arona High School, Albarka.
Okay, so do you watch Kids and Teens?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have any hobbies or any talents that you have?
Or have you developed any during quarantine?
yeah, I have developed my drawing skills and my singing skills. And then my hobbies are like going out for cycling.
Oh, okay.
So, you like to cycle around. Do you go outside for cycling?
Yeah.
Do you go with your
I go every
parents
day.
or your friends?
Oh. It's not like that. I go with both of them.
Okay.
Oh.
So, since you told you like to draw, then why didn't you send us your drawings or like your artwork to our email ID, which is kidsandteens@ntvue.e, and we'll be projecting it in our show.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't we play a game?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so I'll ask you a GK question first.
Yeah.
Okay, it's more of like a capital question, okay? So, hope you're good at your capitals. I'm going to ask you one question and it's going to be pretty easy, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay, can you tell me what is the capital of Nepal?
Nepal.
Yes.
Is there any options?
I'll give you a clue, okay? It starts with K.
K.
Yeah.
Carman. I think I studied with Carman, something like that.
Yeah, you're close, but if you think, you may get the answer.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what the answer is?
Wait. Okay. I think it's Kathmandu or something like that.
Yes, you're correct. It's Kathmandu and it's our neighboring country, so we should definitely be knowing its capital. So well done, you at least tried to remember it from learning before. So do you have any riddles to ask?
Yeah. I was thinking
riddle?
of giving a tongue twister, but actually I'll give a riddle. So, which month has 28 days in it?
Which month? I think every month has 28 days.
Yes.
Correct.
That's the right answer.
So you played really well and don't forget to send us your drawings as well. Hope you enjoyed talking to us. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye. So that was our fourth
Caller, I think.
Yeah, fourth
Yeah.
caller.
Okay, so coming back to Diya.
I was trying to ask a question. Have you been learning your songs, the songs by yourself, or do you go to any institutions?
I learned classical music from my teacher, but apart from that, film songs I learned by my own.
Oh, okay. So do you learn like Carnatic music or have you any like specialize in any other field?
No, I learned Carnatic music.
Okay. So who's your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Savita Mahesh.
Okay. So in your home, anyone else like sings or has like a desire for singing?
My mother used to sing when she was young.
Oh, okay. So you must have like got that, kind of thing
Yeah.
from your mother. Yes. Okay, so do you like want to like pursue any like ambition in singing in music or like something else?
Right now, I'm aiming for something else. I'm aiming for psychology.
Okay, yeah. So, but do you want to like take your music along with it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So we'll hear our last song from our guest.
yes. So why don't you sing us a very wonderful song?
I'll be singing a Malayalam song.
Okay.
പവിഴം പോൽ പവിഴാതരം പോൽ പനിനീർ പൊന്മുകുളം പോൽ പവിഴം പോൽ പവിഴാതരം പോൽ പനിനീർ പൊന്മുകുളം പോൽ പുതുശോഭയെഴും നിറമുന്തിരി നിൻ മുഖസൗരഭമോ പകരുന്നു പവിഴം പോൽ പവിഴാതരം പോൽ പനിനീർ പൊന്മുകുളം പോൽ മാതളങ്ങൾ തളിർച്ചൂടിയില്ലേ കതിർപ്പാൽ മണികൾ തനമാർന്നതില്ലേ മതകോചനമാർദിനപ്രാക്കളില്ലേ മാതളങ്ങൾ തളിർച്ചൂടിയില്ലേ കതിർപ്പാൽ മണികൾ തനമാർന്നതില്ലേ മതകോചനമാർദിനപ്രാക്കളില്ലേ പുലർവേളകളിൽ വയലേലകളിൽ കണി കണ്ടുവരാം കുളിർ ചൂടി വരാം പവിഴം പോൽ പവിഴാതരം പോൽ പനിനീർ പൊന്മുകുളം പോൽ. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zia. It was really good. And thank you for spending all your time with us. And we wish you a very great, successful, career for your music as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
So we had our guest,
Yeah,
Diya
and we have a
Jayaprasad.
caller right now. Hello,
So, hello,
who is
who's
this?
this?
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Can you guess my name?
Is it Malavika Manoj?
No.
It's not? You sound exactly like Malavika.
Yeah, that energetic
Yeah, that's
voice.
what I was thinking.
No, it's not her. Actually, you all know me very well.
Anuja Nair.
Exactly.
See, that's what I knew.
my
It was like
God.
someone among any of these. It should be anyone because both of them are really energetic. Both of them are singers and have like similar voices. So I knew it had to be Anuja or Malavika. Hello, Anuja. Welcome to Kids and Teens.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So
You guys
how are you doing?
amazing. Like, I'm just watching right now your shows. It's just amazing.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Anuja. So how are you doing?
Banging like the same days. Every day it's like that. So it's just amazing.
Thanks. So it's been a long time since we all like the Kids and Teens VJs met each other. So how are you?
I'm totally fine, doing good. I mean, it is a little bit boring because we're sitting at home idle and there's nothing to do. But I think I'm doing okay and fine.
So what do
I
you
just
do?
am
Have you
busy.
developed any new?
Actually, Anuja is busy with a lot of new talents. She's been like involving all her time with singing and dancing. You know, she's like got a doctorate in all of these because she's like, totally perfect in all of these.
There are so many other people who do it better than me. But if you
But-
ask for one thing that I've adopted, I think I've adopted, like, I can twist my hand 360 degrees.
Ah,
so
I know.
Oh,
I've seen
yeah,
that.
I saw
it.
that, yeah.
I've
I
seen
was
her
just
do it.
Actually, what happened was that it's a very funny thing. I was doing a project and then I was drawing a circle. And that's how I discovered I could do that.
So, were you doing your holiday homework? I'm
Holiday
just
homework we
asked.
don't have.
You
We
don't-
have only Saturday exams.
That is so nice. You don't have holiday homework.
That's
Yeah, instead of that,
amazing.
we have
You don't need to
Saturday
get chased by your mom. You don't need to get slaps and beatings from your mom.
I'm in 10th
I
grade
need
and
to
I
start-
have holiday homework.
Same here.
I
I'm
have
in 7th.
Saturday exams, so every Saturday I have exams of each subject.
Oh, so you have school during the vacation, like on Saturdays also?
Exactly, not school, but we have exam, like a test.
Oh, okay,
It's like
okay.
How many marks are there?
Like
60.
60 marks.
60 marks. That
Okay, then holiday homework is
How-
better.
holiday homework is actually better.
Exactly, you all are best. No, you don't have to do the things that I have to do now.
Okay, Anuja, since you came to our show and we can't leave you simply without asking you a question or a riddle.
Yes,
Tongue
of
twister.
course. Go on. Let me
Okay.
try. If I can answer them, I'll surely do it.
Okay, so Anirudh, why don't you ask her?
Okay, twisting your tongue by telling this. Red label, black label. It's easy.
Once more.
Red label and black label.
Red label, black label, red label, black label, red label, red label, black label. I can't do it. Red label, black
So-
label, right? This
Yeah.
feels like, K-pop entertainment, so it's like kind of relative.
You like K-pop?
Yeah, obviously I love K-pop.
Oh, so you both like K-pop and I'm the only one who doesn't like?
My sister loves K-pop. I'm not so much into it. I like listening to their songs. So
Yeah,
why
their
don't you
songs are
try
pretty
it?
cool. They have a different nostalgia to it, so obviously it's kind of good.
But it's just not my type though. But there are many people who like K-pop nowadays. It's a good thing, like you're trying to learn other cultures also, but it's just not for me.
What's your favorite band in K-pop?
Obviously it will be like different things for them, so it's that way only.
Is your favorite band Blackpink?
Or BTS.
Yeah, BTS.
So Blackpink or BTS, Twice, Red Velvet, EXO, TXT, anyone is fine for me, like literally. I'm literally being like educated about K-pop in these days, a few days.
Okay, so
I mean, obviously, like we are sitting idle, no, so we don't have anything to do.
yeah,
so
that's what.
the-
Yeah.
Okay, so
Hope you enjoy talking with us. See you soon and call us next time.
thank you for calling.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. So now we have a keyboard.
Yeah, we
Video
have a
of-
very talented little girl who has learned keyboard and she's going to present it for us. So why don't we look at her video?
Yeah.
Shreya Rajesh. I'm studying in 8th grade of the Indian High School, Dubai. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ പ്ലേ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ജീവാംശമായി എന്ന മലയാളം സോങ് ആണ്. Hope you'll enjoy it.
incredible.
That was amazing actually. Like, it's really hard to manage to play a musical instrument because I've tried it and it was really hard.
So what did you try?
I tried keyboard itself, but it was actually very hard, and then I stopped it, and then I had to go back to dance.
Right
So
now,
do you know?
Yeah, I'm doing keyboard right now.
How is it?
It's you have to practice a lot to like
Yeah.
get. First, you learn all the notes, and then you have to practice a lot and lot and lot to like get into knowing all the keys.
So this video was sent to us by Shreya Rajesh, and Shreya, thank you for the video. It was amazing. We enjoyed it. Hope our audience also enjoyed it. So we have
Another video.
Another video sent
It's a
by a
cook-
really chintu little girl. She's very cute, and she sent this video. So Anirudh, nowadays everybody is cooking and baking, as I told earlier.
Yeah.
In some stores, you don't even get like half of the things that you need for baking right now.
Yeah, exactly. There's so many dairy products you have to buy,
Yeah.
and then but most of them won't be there.
Yeah, so this little girl has sent us a video of her making a really delicious recipe, which she's going to share with us. So why don't we see that video?
Yeah, I am from grade 1. Today I am going to make a simple sandwich, but a healthy sandwich. The things what's used for the sandwich are 2 slices of bread and 1 cheese and some cucumbers and tomato. So, first thing to start the sandwich is take 1 slice of bread and keep it here, and take some cucumbers and keep it here. And second, you have to take some tomatoes and keep it here. And then last thing is take the cheese and keep it. Then take more cucumbers if you want. And take the last slice of bread and keep it here and press it little bit and check if it's nice. Very nice. You have to try this. Thank you. Bye.
That was
That was
really,
really
cute. So this is a little girl named Sanaya Vinod. She's in grade 1 and she has sent this video. So hope you all try that recipe and tell us also how it was. So like this, you all can send us your talents,
Videos
photos
of-
or videos to our email ID, which is kidsandteens@ntvui.ae, and you can come as a guest or we'll be showing your talents through our show. So why don't we tell everybody what we did today?
Yeah, today we had our guest.
Her name is Diya Jayaprasad and she sang very beautiful songs for us. And then after that, we had a video played of a girl playing keyboard. Her name is Shreya Rajesh. She also played a really nice song for us with her keyboard. And the last video that we
was
had,
cookery.
Cookery by a small girl named Sanaya Vinod. And so we had all these things today, and we also had many callers today. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഡേ ഭയങ്കര നല്ലൊരു എൻജോയ്മെന്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന ഒരു ഡേ ആയിരുന്നു. അനിരുദ്ധിന് എന്താ തോന്നിയത്?
എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര എനർജറ്റിക് ആയിട്ട് തോന്നി. ലൈക്ക് കോളേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ വന്നപ്പോൾ
സത്യമായിട്ടും യെസ്. കുറേ നാളിന് ശേഷമാണ് നമ്മൾ നമ്മളെ കോളേഴ്സിൻ്റെ അടുത്തൊക്കെ കൂടെ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ അത് നമുക്കും നല്ലൊരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. നല്ല രസമുണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഇന്നത്തെ ഷോ.
എല്ലാവരും ഭയങ്കര എനർജറ്റിക്. ലൈക്ക്
അതെ,
ഈ വ്യൂവേഴ്സിനെയും എന്റർടൈനെയും ഞങ്ങളെയും എന്റർടൈൻ
എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ലൈക്ക് എല്ലാവരും കോവിഡ് ഒക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ലൈക്ക് എല്ലാവരും ബോറടിച്ച് വീട്ടിലിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മളെ അടുത്ത് വിളിക്കുന്നതാണ് കിഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് ടീൻസ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ ഷോ കാണുന്ന എല്ലാവരും നമ്മളെ വിളിക്കണം. സോ വിത്ത് ദാറ്റ്, ദിസ് ഇസ് മീ ജുമാന ജാഫർ
and Anirudh Rajesh
signing off from Kids and Teens, NTV UA's #1 Indian television channel in the UAE.